Welcome to LFA's video on unboxing your new TDP Zero. In this video we're going to be covering how your TDP Zero will be delivered, what to look out for, and how to initially set up your press. Before signing, ensure that there's no substantial damage to the outside of the box, and if there is, refuse the delivery. Although most of LFA's products do arrive on time and in good condition, occasionally damage by couriers has been reported. It's difficult for us to file a claim if the item has been signed for in good condition. When handling your press, we also suggest using good lifting practices and safety equipment such as gloves and safety boots where possible. The TDP Zero is the lightest press in the range at 20 kilos and can usually be lifted alone. To get inside your shipping crate, you'll need a crosshead screwdriver. Simply undo the screws around the base of the box. Usually you'll find around 8 screws to undo. Please keep these to one side as well as your shipping crate, just in case for any reason you'd like to return your press. Once the screws have been removed, simply lift up the box from the base to reveal your tablet press. Your press will be wrapped to ensure it's protected and sealed. Tucked in the wrap, you'll find your hopper at the base of the TDP Zero. Remove this, unwrap, and place it to one side. Also inside your shipping crate, you'll find your LFA guide to your TDP press, as well as your warranty certificate that will have your press's unique serial number. The serial number can also be located on the information plate on your press. Next, unwrap your press. Now you'll find 4 screws securing the press to the shipping crate base. Take your crosshead screwdriver and remove these. Once removed, the crate base can be removed. When your TDP Zero arrives, the turning handle will be the opposite way round for shipping purposes. Take an Allen key, remove the handle and place it on the other side. Now take your hopper and put it into place. The TDP Zero has 4 holes at the base. This is so you can use bolts to secure it to a desk and stop the press moving while producing tablets. Some of our customers also use G-clamps to secure it to a desk. Once this is complete, do a test run by rotating the handle clockwise to ensure no dirt or debris is around the base plate, die and punches. For more information, products and guides, please visit www.lfatabletpresses.com.